Hey guys, it's Rina and welcome back to my K-pop tutorial video. Today we're gonna do MIROH by Stray Kids. We went through the first chorus part last week in my K-pop workshop in Arizona. It was such a high energetic dance choreography, but I personally love that type of dance even though I got sore. So today we're all gonna learn together the first chorus part of MIROH by Stray Kids. Make sure to post your dance video with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so I can see and share on my story. I'm also going to host any K-pop dance workshop everywhere in the world. So if you're watching this video and want me to go to your place, just leave some comments, hit me up. I'm excited to see you and dance with you guys. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we are actually start from here and jump and land. Here we go. This is gonna be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Alright, so open your legs a little bit wider on your shoulders and you're just gonna bend your knees, drop your hip down. You're gonna take your right arm down and put your left hand on your right elbow. We're gonna go down and on 8, we're gonna jump. Here we go. Keep opening your legs, but you're gonna bend your knees and jump as high as you can. Here we go. Your arms, you can do pretty much anything. You can put your hand on your head or open, cross. I wanna see your varieties, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. After that, as soon as you landed, you're just gonna kick with your right leg. Kick, ba, ba. Here we go. Kick, da, da. Step, now, right, left. And then take your left hand up, open your hands, bring your left arm up. With your right hand, grab your left wrist. And then you're gonna make a big circle. Ha. Extend your arms, bring it forward. And you're just gonna step on left, forward, and step on right, on back. Here we go. So, as soon as you landed, you're just gonna kick, ba, ba, up. Now, bring your arms and step, step. Here we go. This is gonna be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Now when you step back, you're gonna lean forward, boom, okay? And then you're gonna face front and one more time. Here we go. Your arms slightly bended, but you're not gonna move your arms so much. You're more like moving upper body, boom, boom. Here we go. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, you're gonna punch, but with your elbows and use your right shoulder. Boom. Okay? You're just gonna step forward and step, step. Here we go. Step forward and right, left. Your arms, use your right elbow, bring it forward, step, step. So, side, front, and punch. Ta, ta. And we're gonna move to the left and right. Okay, these legs to the left, up, right. That's it. Left, up, right. Your arms, extend your arms. Gonna take your right hand up, switch, and right hand up. Here we go, that's it. Right and right. After punch, da, da. And take your left hand first, but then switch and right. Here we go. Gonna put your heels together so that you can make circles on your hands, on your arms, and punch down. Yes, your right arm is forward, punch down. Now open your legs and twist your body to the right, and you're gonna bring it up. Here we go. Make a fist on your hands. You're gonna twist from the right, and boom, bring it to the left. Ha. Here we go. So let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Punch. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now down and twist and boom. Here we go. One more time in the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. After this, you're gonna jump again. Just so you know, there are gonna be so many jumpings. This time you're gonna put your legs together, bend your knees, and take both of your arms back. Here we go. And then slide back. You can just take your hands whatever on up. And then again, open your legs. We're gonna get back to this position. And then this time, you're not gonna step on left, but you're just gonna step back. And again, lean forward twice. Here we go. So, straight, kick, jump. And then slide back. Da, da. Arms up. And step back, front. Here we go. Next one, we're just gonna kick up. This kick, you're gonna take your right knee up first, and then you're supposed to be on the air right now. And you're just gonna switch and kick. Yeah, makes sense? Kick. Here we go. And you're gonna lean forward, open your arms. Now step back, cross your arms, and jump. Here we go. This is gonna be the last jump in this choreography. But when you jump, use your index, point it forward. You're gonna pull your right elbow back and jump. Here we go. So, straight, kids, boom, slide, da, da, up, step back, and slide, front. Now, kick, front, back, and jump. Here we go. Alright, now we are halfway, and no worries, the second half is going to be much easier. So, let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. Straight, kids, jump, and slide up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and then the second half, we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, double 5, 6, 7, 8. This one, your legs, step, up, down, up, down, up. When you go down, take either knee up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Single, single, double. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your arms, make a fist and then cross in front of your chest. Left hand is forward, down. Now, open, cross, open, double. 2, 2, left, and 2, 2, right. But it's gonna be a little bit faster. So 1, 2, 3, double, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're gonna make a big circle on your upper body. Here we go. You can tap on your heels, boom, 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 boom. You can also add your head accent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 7, 8, you're just gonna slide. Anywhere is fine. This is just the formation change in the music video. So you can move wherever you want. You're just gonna slide, one slide. And then one more time, we're gonna go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, double 5, 6. Now this time, extend your arms and again, circle. 2, 3, 4. And on 5, stand up straight and then slide back. And 7, 8. One more time, stand up straight. And that's it. The second half is a little bit easier, right? Okay, so one more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, double 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slide, 7, one more time, 1, 2, 3, double 5, 6, now straight your arms, 1, 2, 3, now 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. We made it. All right, let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Down. 6, straight, kick, jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7 to the left. 2, 3, double 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slide, 7, 8, one more time, 2, 3, double, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video and dancing with me. Hope you got this choreography of the first chorus part of MIROH by Stray Kids. If anyone watching this video and going to the concert this weekend in Phoenix, please have fun and make sure if they sing this song, dance. Alright, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!